This is a tutorial on how to sign up as a course provider. First, click on the Sign Up button, then click on the Course Provider option. After that, fill in the form with relevant information. After registration has been done, click on the Login menu and fill in the details according to the username and password you've registered. Then, click on the Dashboard menu. As you can see, it is stated that your application is pending. That is because your application as course provider will need the approval from the administration. After the application has been approved, you can list the courses following the above. First, name your course title. Next, fill in your course description, number of your students and the difficulty level of your course. You can also choose the category of your course. Fix the fee for your courses if it is required and choose free option if it does not need any fee. Then, your course thumbnail is also important to showcase your course. Next, you can also upload a short video for your course introduction. After that, add a topic for your courses. Then, you can set your total course duration. State the benefits of the course and also the requirements, targeted audience and materials needed. Next, you must set your tutor settings and upload your attachment if there is any. Last but not least, set your certificate template following the design that you wished. Click Save as Draft if you still have changes to make, while click Submit for review if you have finalized your courses. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you in advance. It's a pleasure to have you on our platform.